Greetings, soon-to-be mothers. Ready to transition from anticipating pregnancy to embracing parenthood? We're your guide, offering indispensable advice for this thrilling chapter of life. Commence with prenatal care. Prioritizing health and wellness is vital now. Consume wholesome meals, maintain gentle activity, and ensure ample rest. A fit mother equals a robust infant. As labor and birth loom, contemplate a birth strategy. Converse about your choices and alternatives with your health advisor, remaining flexible as the momentous day nears. Keep in mind, your comfort and safety are paramount. Next, onto infant care. We'll delve into the intricacies of feeding and sleep routines, diapering, and calming methods. Remember, your self-care is crucial too. Cheers, expectant mothers. Welcome this magnificent journey with an open heart and mind. You're never alone. Garner support from your health advisor, loved ones, and fellow mothers. Parenthood is a gratifying expedition, and we're here, backing you every stride of the way.